Hey, what's up, Sneakerheads? Welcome back to the Azay store official. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we've got an exciting lineup that's going to set your sneaker game on fire. I'm talking about the top 7 Red Air Jordans of 2024. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these. So let's jump right into it. Kicking things off at number 1, we've got a banger coming from Marcus Jordan's trophy room, the Air Jordan 1. Low OG Home and Away pack. Scheduled for release in March 2024, these kicks draw inspiration from MJ's 1986 Fleer basketball rookie card and a classic 1984 Sports Illustrated photo. The reverse black toe colorway, vintage jersey materials, and a nod to MJ's legacy make these a must-cop. Now, for all you golf enthusiasts out there, Jordan Brand has something special for you. The Air Jordan Mule Golf in the timeless Bred colorway is dropping in February 2024. With a laceless design, breathable leather, and a golf-ready outsole, these kicks ensure style and comfort as you conquer the golf course. Mark your calendars for February 2nd. Your tee time just got a whole lot fresher. Before we dive into today's lineup, I've got a little surprise for you all. Subscribe and stick around till the end of the video, because we've got an exclusive sneak peek at a hot new release from Jordan Brand's Summer 2024 lineup. Moving on to May 2024, Jordan Brand is expanding the Air Jordan 1 lineup with the Team Red colorway. These bad boys boast a blend of elegance and style, featuring a full leather base, perforations for breathability, and eye-catching Team Red overlays. With the classic Nike Air branding and a striking Team Red rubber outsole, these kicks are set to make a statement. Get ready for a Summer 2024 release. Your sneaker rotation is about to get a major upgrade. June 2024 brings us a blast from the past with the Air Jordan 1 High 85 Metallic Burgundy. Unearthed from the vault after 38 years, these kicks showcase a distinctive charm with a deeper red hue. Crafted from breathable white leather and adorned with metallic burgundy accents, these are a must-have for any OG sneaker collector. Save the date, June 20th, 2024, because history is making a comeback. Now let's talk about a collaboration that's making history. The Air Jordan 1 Low OG Howard University PE. Set to release in the holiday season of 2024, this collaboration marks the first time an HBCU and Jordan Brand come together for a public release. With premium suede, unique overlays, and a nod to Howard University's legacy, these kicks are more than just sneakers. They're a cultural moment. Jumping into the past, the Air Jordan 17 OG Varsity Red is making a comeback in 2024. Originally launched in 2002, this classic white and red design, nicknamed Cherry, is set to capture hearts once again. With innovations inspired by jazz music and a hint of nostalgia, these kicks are a testament to MJ's Wizard days. Keep your eyes peeled for updates on packaging and pricing. The countdown to its return has begun. Now we got on our list, we've got a sneak peek into the future with Jordan Brand's Reimagined series. The Air Jordan 1 High OG Black Toe Reimagined is set to drop in holiday 2024, following the success of previous releases. Red accents, authentic branding, and a fresh packaging presentation. This one's a game changer. Make sure to secure your pair because these are bound to fly off the shelves. But hold up, sneaker enthusiasts! Before we wrap up this video, we've got an exclusive sneak peek into another jaw-dropping release from Jordan Brand's Summer 2024 lineup, the Air Jordan 1 High OG Denim. Trust me, this one's a showstopper. The denim touch has been a crowd pleaser on previous retro models, and now it's making a stylish comeback. Dressed in summit white, obsidian, and gum medium brown, these kicks promise a chic look that's bound to turn heads. With a summit white canvas base, denim fabric overlays, and gum medium brown rubber outsole, this release is a perfect blend of iconic design and modern aesthetics. So, mark your calendars for a summer of style with the AJ1 High OG Denim. You won't want to miss your chance to step out in fashion-forward footwear. Stay tuned for a dedicated video on this release, where we'll dive deeper into the details and why it's a must-have for your collection. Trust me, you don't want to miss it! And there you have it, folks. The top 7 Red Air Jordans of 2024. Which ones are you most excited about? Drop a comment down below and let's get the discussion going. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more exclusive sneaker content. Until next time, keep it fresh, keep it stylish, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.